To change the transmission fluid on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Vehicles with auto drive leave in neutral. Vehicles with manual transmission leave in gear. Then set the parking brake. Then elevate the vehicle using appropriate jack stands. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, remove the fill plug located on the rear driver's side of the transmission housing. Then, place a drain pan underneath the drain plug located on the passenger side of the transmission housing. Tip: placing a rag at the bottom of the pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Now, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Continue by cleaning and reinstalling the drain plug with a new gasket. Torque to specification. Next, add the recommended fluid. Do not overfill. Maintain the fluid level at the bottom edge of the fill hole. Then, clean and reinstall the fill plug with a new gasket. Torque to specification. Now, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Next, lower the vehicle completely. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.